Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning video. Today, we're going to explore a useful word that you might have heard before, occasionally. Learning English can be exciting and understanding, as you know, and words like occasionally will help you express yourself more clearly. So let's dive in and discover what occasionally means and how to use it in sentences. 30%. Occasionally. Occasionally means something happens from time to time, but not very often. It is commonly placed before the main action verb. For example, he occasionally travels for work. We occasionally eat out at restaurants. And there you have it. You've learned about the word occasionally and how to use this word in your sentences. Remember, the word occasionally means something that happens from time to time, but not very often. So don't forget to occasionally practice using this word in your conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll feel more confident in your English skills. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.